Alright, it's your boy Jaypaul, Mr. Flames, ladies and gentlemen. I just got out of the house and trust me, I never even see outside though. But the love, don't they? Choke. It's been amazing so far, and right now I want to see what you guys have been saying about me and my stay. I'm sure I'm going to laugh about a lot of things, but let's go, let's check it out. So the first one here is by Godia Tizevandi. I hope I don't spoil that. So she says, she wrote two things. She said, one, Cross said his 750 abeg was missed. Are you sure it's not the money you used to buy flour for Saskay? Oh, wahala. I never even finished to pay Big Brother because it was instrumentally every week. But no, it's not the money. I cannot steal from Cross. Nah, my guy. So I saved money. A lot of people put money together for me as well, and that's why I'm still owing Big Brother. So yeah. Thomas 7 Bisong says, why you dey follow Saskay up and down instead of focusing on 90 million? Hey, voila, oh, they don't kill me. No, I wasn't. Yeah, I mean, she was the only person I could vibe with and tell her everything that's going on with me. It's not everybody you can tell everything that's going on with you. I mean, so it's not easy to find companionship in the house. And when I found it, I was really, I was happy to have somebody to be able to talk to every now and then and vibe with. So that was it really for me. Inyi. Say, why you run cross streets? Don't you know bro code? I mean, I ain't run mystery. Okay, so the first thing is, I didn't even know that Cross was there before. Cross had told Saskay how he felt. I didn't know that. It was along the line. I knew that, oh, Cross already told Saskay. I thought they were those real close, so I didn't run him streets. I mean, we're still chill. We don't get any issues, So yeah, Cross is my guy. Let's move on. Martha Lasbury. Jaypaul, oh, why are you too intelligent and handsome? I'm shy. Oh, thank you so much. Well, you have to ask my mommy and my daddy and the doctor that gave birth to me. You have to thank them, But thank you so much. I'll take that as an amazing compliment. Handsome, thank you. Intelligent, thank you so much. I appreciate you, Martha. Let me go to Jasmine Precious. He says, "Is Jaypaul what? You have a restaurant in the heart of Lekki and never for once did you mention it. What is wrong with you?" I did mention it plenty times. Did you watch it? I did mention it a lot of times, especially when I was in the kitchen and I was cooking and doing stuff. And everybody asked, I was like, yo, I own a restaurant. It's called Made in Calabar Limited. Prince Harry Styles, a brother and a friend. It's so sad to see you leave now, but God knows the best. I wish you success in your journey ahead, and please do not fail to keep loving and caring for Sars when she comes out of the house. I really want to see you guys get married. Hey, thank you, because you guys look good together. Much love, brother. Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you, Prince Harry Styles. There's so much more. I'm sure I'm going to read so much, and I'll try and reply as much as I can to it, if I can. And I want to see everybody. We're out here now to hustle. I'm here with you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for the love. I'm humbled. Oh shit.